Get more sales. How to get more sales online. That's what you want to do, and if you want to do that, you're going to want to watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to talk to you about how to get more sales and how to make more money, and it's really not that much work. I'm going to go through a list of 17 different things. It doesn't, slow down, 17's not that much. But once you put these things into place, guys, you're going to make so much money. This is crazy what you can do if you do a few simple things. It doesn't really even cost you any money to do most of these things. It's just a little bit of effort. Thanks so much for showing up and watching this video. I really appreciate it. Do me a favor, if you don't mind. I forgot my bell. I gotta have my bell. So anyhow, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down there. Turn it from red to gray. All you gotta do is click it and you're gonna change the color, but then a bell is gonna pop up, something similar to this, and you want to turn on all notifications. Turn on all notifications so you're notified. Calm down. So you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Okay, so I want to help you with your website. I want to help you with your online sales, but something we've got to remember is that a lot of people started shopping during the world illness. Yeah, I think I can say that now. But anyhow, they started shopping online. They hadn't been shopping online before, or they did very little of it. Now they're accustomed to it. But since they are accustomed to it, they also expect little things from you that you may not be doing. That's why this video is so important, because I'm going to walk you through all those things. Number one thing is understand your audience. Know who your audience is. Are they male? Are they female? What percentage male, female? Okay, are they older? Are they younger? Where do they live? What are the things they like? The better you understand your audience, the better you're going to be able to market to these people, and the more sales you're going to make. Now, number two, use analytics to understand your audience. So number one was understand your audience, but you got these analytics, and these are free tools. Like things like Google Analytics can tell you a lot. They'll tell you where your customers are. They'll tell you what kind of computer they're on. They'll tell you if they're doing mobile or if they're doing desktop. Look at your analytics, see what's happening, see what pages they're going to. If you log into Google Analytics and set up an account, it's absolutely free, and it's going to make you more money. Number three is to find your unique selling position. Now here's what I mean by this. You have to differentiate yourself from everybody else. Now I own a company called Survival K Food, you can see right there, and at Survival K Food we sell to people who want to prepare for disasters, for emergencies. These people are smart. Okay, they know that you need to have some type of food storage, so we market to those people, but we understand those people, and we have a unique selling position. Our foods are all natural. There's no preservatives, additives, chemicals. It's wholesome. Like you take a can of our canned beef and it is delicious. It's probably one of the most delicious canned beef. I mean, it's like your grandma's pot roast. It's really good meat. So that's our unique selling position, is that we have super high quality food. It's not survival food you have to eat. It's survival food you want to eat. Number four, simplify the customer experience. Your customer experience is very important. So what do I mean when I say customer experience? What I mean is when they go to your website, whether it be on mobile, whether it be on desktop, that it's easy for them to navigate. It's easy for them to check out. There's not a lot of barriers to entry. Okay, we don't want that. I've seen some sites where you can't even buy there unless you set up an account on their site. Some people don't want to do that. You can certainly offer for them to set up an account so they can log in and see the progress of their order, but if they don't want to, don't make them do it. Number five, have excellent customer service. Always have excellent customer service. Make sure they can get a hold of you. Make sure there's phone numbers, there's emails, you know, there's chat boxes, whatever, and we'll talk about that in just a second too. But make sure it's easy to get a hold of you, and when they do get a hold of you, no matter what they want, take care of these customers. Do what's right by them. I remember years ago we had somebody who said they didn't receive a case of meat, and it was about a $200 or $300 purchase, and I had the proof that it was delivered to their house. I had the proof it was delivered to their house because I had the tracking numbers and all that, but we went ahead and just sent them out another one anyhow. And it turns out on down the road, what had happened was somebody had stolen that box off their porch. They found it on their Ring device and they saw what had happened, and guess what, they came back as a loyal customer because we took care of them, and they've spent thousands and thousands of dollars with our company since then. Number six is, provide a chat box, okay, or at very least a help desk. Now there is a software called Kartra which will help you with this. You can set up a chat box, you can set up a help desk, I'll put a link right here if you want to check out Kartra. I would highly recommend you do. You can actually get it for a $1 trial, but all this is encompassed in there, in emails and sales pages and funnels and sequences and all that stuff. All of that's built in to this one software, so you want to check that out. Number 7, have a simple checkout process. This is so important, guys. When they get to the checkout page, it should be really easy for them to click and buy. And those of you out there who bought online, you probably bought from Amazon. You know, they've got one-click buying. I mean, it makes it so easy to buy on Amazon, and that's why we all do it. Are you setting up obstacles on your website? Are you making it more difficult for them to check out? Go through the process yourself and say, is this easy? And if not, what can I do to make it easier? Number 8, select the right platform for what you're doing. Now, I use several different platforms, but some I would recommend are Shopify. That's a great e-commerce platform. I also think that you need to integrate other softwares. Now, I mentioned Kartra earlier. You can build pages in Kartra and put them on your Shopify store, or you can build them in Kartra and put them on your WordPress website, whatever you want to do, but you can build them in Kartra. I would recommend you selecting whatever platform to put your website on, such as Shopify or WordPress. Those are the two I would recommend, and there are links below if you are interested in that you can get some discounts too, so look below and you'll see that. But I also think that you need to have something like Kartra to build these pages in. Once again, you can get it for $1, so check that out. Number 9 is don't forget SEO. You got to SEO your pages, search engine optimization. You've got to have the right tags in there. You got to have the right titles in there, the right descriptions in there. If you don't have a description and a title, when somebody is searching online, they can't find that page. So you want to do that. The very basics is have a good title and a good description. Number 10, you want to create content. Put content out there, information about your product. Like in our case, we could write blogs about surviving. We could write blogs about protecting your family, about surviving a storm or earthquakes or whatever it is. There's tons of things we could write content about. What could you do in your business to write content around what your products are? Not necessarily selling them in the content, but just giving them helpful information. Number 11, have product reviews on your pages. Okay, when people buy your product, offer them an incentive, a free download, a free PDF if they come back and give you a review. I've done this before and it's been very well received, and I get a lot of reviews, and when people see reviews on your site, it really helps them make that decision too. Number 12, use a responsive design. And I used to not even know what responsive design means, but what that means is how does it look on a cell phone? How does it look on an iPad? How does it look on any type of mobile device or their desktop? In Kartra, if you're building some of these pages, you can actually view it on different types of devices, but make sure it's responsive so that when they go to their smartphone, it doesn't look all jumbled up. I've seen that happen time and time again, and it's costing you a lot of sales. Number 13, use high quality photos. Those photos can really sell your product. I see it too often where people will just get stock photos from whatever manufacturer, whatever producer they're buying from, and put those on their website. You want to take your own pictures or have a professional photographer take them. On our survival food site, we have high quality pictures that showcases that food and shows how good it actually is. Number 14, use email marketing. Email marketing is so very important. We use, guess what, Kartra, where you can get it for $1, okay, to do our email marketing. It has made us millions of dollars in sales because we stay in touch with the customer. We can send out automated emails, and we can stop those emails once they buy that product. It's all automated in Kartra. Check it out. Number 15, look at your shipping cost. Look at your shipping cost. Unfortunately, or fortunately, however you want to look at it, Amazon has trained people where they can get free shipping. If you can incorporate free shipping into your product, you're going to sell more products, or at very least have a very low base cost for shipping. Now, some of you may say, well, JR, I can't afford that because my product's heavy or whatever. Hey, I sell cases of meat that weigh 50 pounds, okay? And we give free shipping on everything. We didn't used to do that, but we do now. Free shipping on everything. So free shipping can really get you a lot of sales, and all you have to do is add that cost of shipping, whatever the average is, to your products and build it into the price of the product. Now, you may say, well, people aren't going to pay more for the product. They will if you give them free shipping. Number 16, be active on social media. Be posting about your company and what's going on, the news, the process, maybe part of your day. People love to follow that stuff. Make sure you post on social media. And my last one, number 17, is I guess you should have done this beforehand, but you got to connect everything to social media. Okay, make sure your business is on Twitter and it's on Instagram, it's on Facebook, it's on YouTube, it's in all the places that people are going to, and you're going to get more sales. I hope this video has helped you out. I went through a lot of information, and I know for some of you it was like just like a fire hose, right? So go back and watch this video again, start from number one, work your way through, write these things down and implement it. I can promise you, if you do these things, you're going to sell more products online, you're going to make more money. Thank you so much for watching this video. This channel is all about helping you make money online. As a matter of fact, I have a free course below. It's Click and Learn, absolutely free. Grab it while it is still free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Don't forget to turn on the notifications or the bell to all notification, and if you would, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up matters so much to YouTube. I don't know why, but if you click that little thumbs up, it will really help me out. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have comments, questions, or you just want to say hello, put it in the comment section below. Do you have a store? I'd like to hear about it. Put it in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.